Rick from Sebastopol, California writes, Paul, this is an odd one. Oh, good. We don't want anything ordinary going on. We want the odd thing. Bring it on. Bring it on. What do we got? I use sterling silver on classical guitar bass strings only. Wow. Solid silver strings? Okay. They're expensive. Yeah, no kidding. About $60 a set. I would have thought they're more than that. And they sound better than any other strings I've ever used on my bass. When I change them, I keep the old ones and bundle them together, first as an interconnect, and now as a power cord to my DAC only. I know DACs draw less power, so I may be extremely foolish, but right now the sound quality is tremendous. Great imaging, detail, bass, and so on. I don't know how to gauge the overall diameter to an equivalent 18, 14, or 12 gauge, but is this stupid or not? Oh, I don't think it's stupid at all. I mean, I got to tell you, I think it's amazing. It's really cool. Now, the fact that it is a musical instrument string, of course, is irrelevant, right? Because it doesn't know that it's a string. It's a conductor. It's but we love solid core. And I don't know, I can't tell you, I'm guessing it's going to be fairly small. I mean, I'm trying to picture a guitar. Well, that's a bass, isn't it? So that's even thicker. I don't know. But solid silver, I do know, sounds amazing. And depending on how you built it, how you constructed it, would have a lot to do with how it's going to sound. So we know that we don't want to just take two parallel cables for ground and hot and just run them in parallel. So you want to twist them, you want to braid them. There's all kinds of things you can do to get rid of the coupling that happens. It isn't just materials that make a difference in cable. It's more important to have the construction be proper. I would any day take proper construction with a poor conductor as opposed to a great conductor and poor construction, because the balance is going to be way off one way and just sort of off the other way. So if you can get both and do a little bit of study, the internet's out there and it's got all kinds of stuff. You could probably even ask ChatGPT. So check it out. You'll find something, but do pay attention to the construction of it. And I think it's a great idea. I love these off-the-cuff, wacky ideas. Love it. All right. Thanks. Bye and good luck.